In this lesson, I set up database schema that allows Internet of Things devices to connect to the cloud and facilitate command sending and data reception between Laravel and the devices. For now, I will start with the migration for devices. In the terminal, I will write php artisan make migration, and now I will describe what migration name is. For example, create devices table, and in database migration I will find create devices table. In the migration file, I define the structure of devices table, and common columns might be included: ID, device name, device type, status, last online at, or device type, for example. For now, I have only name, device type, device identifier, and this device belongs to a user, and I have this unsigned big integer user ID. That's a reference on ID on table users. Second step, I will create a device model, php artisan make model device, and I go to app models device. I will comment this line for now, and I will define here protected table, protected fillable, sorry, and in this array I define which attributes database columns can be mass assigned. And now I can run php artisan migrate, and the devices table is migrated. Next step, I will make a controller for devices, for example php artisan make controller device controller, and the controller is here. I will make the first method index, and public function index, and I return a view, return view device index. I will make this blade file in view device index blade. But I also need a route. I go to web here, and I will create a route to devices. For example, route get devices device controller class index device index, and I will import the class. Now I can write here some text devices, and I have the view for devices. I've added some Tailwind code for the table, and I will also run npm dev, and now I have a nicer design for the table. But for this table I will make a Livewire component. I go to the terminal and I write php artisan make Livewire devices index, for example, and the component I will find in app Livewire devices index. Here I stop, and in the next lesson I continue.